jam out, you little fool. I'm gonna dance on your head.
You heard that here first. Damn, that CTSV sounds nasty. Look at that old Sublime crane. I don't even, is it a cooter or what is it? Come on, man. We got the tunnel.
Yeah.
That was sick.
There's a second tunnel on one of these streets called Happy. I forgot which one it is.
Oh man, that was
to tell you.
I hope the camera picks up that quality.
I don't remember if it's this
Because
street.
that was loud. Sheesh. You like
like
that?
10 of
Dude,
them.
tell me that sounded good.
Yeah, but
That sounded good. Give me some confirmation.
Oh yeah, sounds so good. Let me tell you something. There's the second tunnel. It's down. I think it's this street. That one.
Oh, look at that. Gesture is Rob. Rob the guy, he
Ignore me.
closed his gas. Dude, where's the second? I heard the
I'm
second
not telling
tunnel.
you anymore. You
I'm
could-
vlogging. Yeah, I heard you. The second tunnel. Where's the second tunnel though?
Butthole, bitch. Down that way. I think it's this street.
Look at this vibe. This is
No, the other parking.
Sheesh, that thing moves.
Honestly.
Don't worry, we'll have a good day. Alright boys, we arrived safely at the car meet. We got some ride. That was a little bit bumpy. Learn how to drive, but has no driver license. Yeah, okay boys, okay. And my license is still current, it's not suspended yet. And look, this is the world. The world can be yours. The world is mine. The world is mine, guys. You know what color that is?
Is it spicy red?
Spicy red?
Yeah.
Oh, so we got a smart ass in there. Okay.
Oh, y'all gotta look at cars. I'm gonna go get food.
Get me some too.
No.
The parking's weird here.
It's because it's a freaking shopping center kind of thing.
I wonder if the old lady likes it or if she's like these goddamn hooligans.
No, where I was thinking, it's a different place. It's smaller. Because I think most of the guys in that car thingy know each other.
In what car thingy? It's like a small group or what?
No, it's like
Nah,
I
that
would say
Camaro's
it's a
badass,
decent.
though.
It's a decent size. I wouldn't say it's small.
Everyone trying to enjoy their food, and here we are with our light ass cars.
But it's all like old cars. It's Beetles, the Volkswagens, and that
Oh,
kind of
okay.
cars.
There's a lot of cars here. Look at them. Those brakes aren't mine, alright?
Oh, it sounds like your car.
Those brakes are not mine. Let me not reverse it. That Camaro sounds nasty though. We got the Grinch.
Can I put my window up?
Look at this, boys. We have the Grinch.
Everybody take a picture.
That's so funny. What the heck? Los Angeles County Sheriff Department. Still, I could still gap his ass. Old ass Camaro. That Camaro sounds so bad though, and it's a Z28 as well. You wish you were with a Camaro guy, huh? No comments?
I got no comments on cars. I could care less.
Well, that Camaro sounds bad.
You swear I love it because of their car.
I know, if anything, I hate this shit. Wow, we got all the Corvettes. Look at this. F12 burn leather right there. Is he gonna make a left? Come on, Mr. Ferrari, I'll let you go. That's hard. Well, you want a sugar daddy? And look, we got the Mopars.
What's going on?
Where'd the lads go? They went left? Damn, there's everything at this meet. We got Lambos. That's so nice. I love this. I love. So that's how mine is gonna look in a few years. Beat up on the left rear quarter panel. Oh, I missed this. We got the boys, lads. We got my Scat. We got the Hellcat. We got the Scat bike. Oh, show me. Sorry. Alright, lads, we're at the car meet and check out those brakes. What was this, like a 69? All Alcantara on the interior. No way that has a. It has a deep or the red eye hood. You think it has a Hellcat swap? A Z01 police car. What the heck? That's so funny. Dude, that. Where's that air intake? What the heck? This is so. Look at that, lads. He took out one of the headlights and put a turbo. That was crazy. sick, man. This thing's wild. Dude, that probably smoked the Hellcat. Big single LS turbo up front. What the heck? Wait, it's on bags, right?
Gotta be. Ain't no way you drive me like this.
Dude, that's crazy. How low is that? Look at the difference.
I'm gonna record you every time you walk away from me.
Come here, Kramer. Oh, what the heck? So what's the point of these? Is it just like a trend or a style? This is wild though. This is like every Mopar owner's worst nightmare. Andy has a 1320 sticker.
I'll fucking get. No cap.
You would?
Yeah, what the fuck is that supposed to do?
You never know now, but those are some fat tires though.
Why this fool bent over for like grab his ass?
No, cause I don't flash my cheeks. This thing's bad.
Like we get it, Ross. You can't keep it chill.
Look at that, guys. I wonder how much he's pushing. You know, it's funny though. I didn't think these type of wheels would suit this car, but there we go.